Welcome to Sadik Digital Networks. Today we are going to see shift cluster. Headlight symbol is always on after remove the key. Today we are going to see how can we repair it. I'm going to remove the top of the cluster. See, this is the display. Handle it carefully. If you spoil it, you cannot replace it. After checking, I saw these two components are short, so I'm going to replace it. Check before it is short or not. After replaced, clean the board, the fungus in the PCB, and check. Now it has been rectified. See, no light is there. The headlight symbol has gone. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.